Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna share with you what came in today. A few packages, 3 to be exact, from different places. I think 2 of them came from eBay, and then the other one came from Target, or should I say Target, as people call it. Some people. But yeah, 2 from eBay and 1 from Target. So yeah, I even forgot. I know one. I was expecting 1 to come in. No, 2. The third one I was surprised about coming in today. So let's get on with the MAiL unboxing. I don't want to take too long. First one, let's open up this one. This came from obviously eBay. Okay, here we go. They just came in today, you guys. They were right at my doorstep. Good thing Porch Pirates didn't get to them. Okay, first one is Thor. This is Jane Foster. Thor. This is from the Hulk Build-A-Figure wave. Yeah, I got her. I did order Hela and Loki. They're on their way from a different seller. Thor, I don't have this Thor, but I do have the Thor that from Thor Ragnarok, the 2-pack that came with Valkyrie. So I have that Thor, the 2-pack. Those are loose and for display. I had those 2 for a little while. But yeah, I don't have this one. Maybe I'll get them. Maybe these 2 as well. Cause I want to build the Gladiator Hulk. Cause I don't have a Hulk yet, so it'll be nice to have that Gladiator Hulk. But yeah, just Jane Foster, Thor, Lady Thor. So yeah, this is one that came in. Next is I think this is from Target. And it's the 2-pack of Lilandra and Wolverine. I got her because I'm watching. I got the 2-pack really because I'm watching. Well, I already watched the whole season of X-Men '97. And she's there in the cartoon along with her sister. And then Wolverine. I wanted this version of Wolverine. Lilandra, Naramani. She's the Empress of the Shira Empire. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty nice. 2-pack. Now I have it, which I'm happy about. I just set it over here. Okay, that's the second package, and then the last one. Is this one, and this is a pretty. I think this is a 3-pack box. Marvel Legends. I'm opening from this side because it's big. I know the angle kind of sucks because this is kind of a huge box. It's not that huge, but once you see it, like when you know, from the viewing angle from the camera, it makes it look huge. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the Toys R Us exclusive 3-pack of Avengers. The 3-pack includes the 3 characters of Agent Culson, Maria Hill, and the third one, Nick Fury. So let me just take off the bubble wrap so y'all can see a better view. I think that might help a lot. Be right back. Okay, here's without the bubble wrap. They really outdid themselves with the packaging and the wrapping. Thumbs up for them. But yeah, this is the 3-pack, you guys. It's the Toys R Us exclusive of Agent Coulson, Nick Fury, and Maria Hill, aka Kobe Smulders, aka Robin Shabowski from How I Met Your Mother. But yeah, this Maria Hill. So yes, you guys, I actually ordered this 3-pack. I wanted to collect MCU characters as well. So this is like a pretty good start on that. I do have like Thor from the MCU. I don't have a lot, but I do have some. I have Valkyrie. I have her and Thor with the 2-pack. And then a couple of characters from What If. Like Sylvie, I have her. Off the top of my head, I'm trying to name a few characters. Black Widow, I have her from the I think Infinity War. And then I have the other Black Widow from, I think is from she has a Winter Soldier outfit, but she's from I think it's the latest one. I think it's with the Infinity package, the box. So, but it looks like she has the Winter Soldier outfit, black one. And off the top of my head, I mean, those are a few characters that I have. But yeah, I do want to collect both, you know, the comic, but also the MCU. yeah, that's it, you guys. What came in today, I wanted to do this video and share it with all of you out there. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm out, you guys. See you on the next one.